Have you ever found yourself playing real estate dominoes? So what that means is contingencies. Let's say you have to sell your house in order to buy another house. It can get pretty tricky, so let's talk about it. Hey guys, it's John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty. And people come to us all the time and they're like, hey, I see this house over here that I want to buy, but I need to sell my house first. Or they may think, oh, I want to sell my house, but I don't know what to do next whenever I go look for the next one. So there's a few things that you got to keep in mind in order to kind of navigate those waters, because it can be a little tricky. The first one is make sure you choose a real estate agent to help you that has experience. We love all of our real estate partners in this industry, but experience matters whenever you're dealing with something as complicated as a contingency. And then sometimes the contingencies can be 3 and 4 houses in a row, and that is why we call it the domino, right? And so the other thing to think about is you need support from your vendors. That experienced real estate agent should have a lot of help through lenders, home inspectors, appraisers, movers. That might be something because you have to coordinate all the moves. And so you need to make sure that you have support from all of your vendor partners. Okay, the next thing is setting expectations, right? Like, it's not always going to be a smooth ride. There's going to be bumps along the way. There's going to be speed bumps. So it's all about setting the expectations, making sure you know that there's going to be some hiccups. Like, these things don't go smooth when it's just one house, much less whenever there's 3 and 4 houses that have to all close within the same day. So it can be a little tricky. The last thing that I'll say is make sure, going back to the agent piece, make sure that your agent is talking with you and being transparent with who are the other agents that we're working with. Whenever we negotiate deals with the other parties and we know it's going to be a contingent process, I'm very, very careful on who the other agents are, because that's very, very important to know who those agents are on the other side, because it can help make or break the deal. So I hope this is helpful information. If you guys need to talk about it and we can kind of set up a strategy for you and your family, let us know and we'll definitely do that. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.